today's video, we're going to focus on the basics of tornado kick, which is also known as Doolgae Chagi. Learning this kick is easy, but mastering it requires a lot of practice and patience. In this beginner's tutorial, we're going to focus on learning the tornado kick in 3 easy steps. The first part of learning the tornado kick involves assuming the guard stance. The first step goes as you will be in a proper position, having your lead foot in front, raise your guards, and then you are going to step your lead foot forward in order to perform this kick. I'm left-handed, I'm keeping my left foot forward, and the same will imply for you. You can either keep your right foot in front or your left as per your convenience. When you're in your guard stance, the distance between your legs should be equal to that between your shoulders. You should look in front. It will be like this. Okay? It is important to get into a proper position because your lead foot will help you in turning the kick, whereas the non-leading foot will help you to execute the spin kick, which is the part of our second step. Now, coming to the second step of learning a tornado kick, this second step involves executing a spin kick. As I told you, I am keeping my lead foot in front. This will be my stance. I am going to turn 180 degrees with my lead leg. As you can see, I have interchanged this position. Now in this position, I am going to rotate my non-lead foot. This will be at the angle of 45 degrees, not more than that. You are halfway up there. Here you have to turn your shoulders this way. Alright? You don't have to put this like this. This is not the correct kick. If you want your kick to come with whole power, you have to keep the angle of 45 degrees and let it point that way. And from here, you have to rotate your hips. In the second step, we learned how to execute a spin kick. Now, in the third step, we are going to execute our tornado kick in one go. This is my fighting stance. I'm going to make a turn, then use my non-lead leg, and then I'm going to switch it this way. Just keep in mind that after performing this kick, you get back to your stance. Just look carefully. I'm going to perform the tornado kick, and then I have to come back to my position. If you want this kick to go faster, you want to execute it faster, then you can directly get into your stance, rotate your non-leading leg, and then switch to your lead leg. Okay, so let us recall what were those 3 steps of getting into your tornado kick. The step 1 involves getting into your stance. It is called a guard stance. The step 2 involves execution of the spin kick, and step 3 involves the execution of that is how you are going to turn and get that perfect roundhouse kick. So there are so many drills, kicking drills that help you to get into a tornado kick. If you want few of those drills, please let me know. I hope you enjoyed today's kicking session. Please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more martial arts and flexibility related tutorials every week. Want to connect with me over social media? Please check out my links in the description. And see you in the next video. Keep smiling.